Right. So if you see metal was weak on last trading session, you see Hindalco is on the biggest loser. Similarly, auto sector ITC is here. Divis Lab pharma sector was also bearish. Maruti, Tata Motors, auto sector, you see two stocks. Eicher Motors is also here. So you have a view that auto sector is bearish today. Okay, so you can pick up those stocks. So you have a view based on the view also, then you can do a scalping there. This is very good way of doing it. So you should have a certain view is very much important. Okay, and that you can develop out of this advances decline through percentage change. You can check up. If you see here, HDFC is right here, Kotak Bank is here, Axis Bank is there. Certainly banking sector stocks were performing good in the last trading session, right? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
So
Kabir.
you can have a view from here, and certainly you can decide in which stocks, which sector, where you want to do scalping. Okay, so this you can use. Secondly, you can always trade stocks based on the news. There are many times QTR result or major announcement which happens during the market hours, right? That happens or not?
Some happens during and some happens post.
Right. So this what happens many times, post wala don't consider it. If the post announcements are happening, gap up, gap down scenarios happen, which are not desirable for scalping. Okay. During market hour, if something is happening, okay, then you can use that stock. And for that purpose, this is a very good website you can make the use of. Okay, Equity Bulls, where a lot of news are posted during market hours, after market hours, before market hours. You can check up this. Or many times you can also follow any major news website like this. Money Control is there. Twitter pay a lot of there are news channels which runs on Twitter. Latest information is posted right over there. You can also follow BSE, NSE, pages on Twitter where major announcements are directly posted over the Twitter, and based on that you can again do swing trading. That you can do. This is one stock selection technique. Again, positive, negative news. Based on that, you can have a sell or buy side sentiment, and then you can pick up a stock. This is very simple thing. And pre-market, I have told you, you can check up the advances and decline. Overall market scenario, you can check up. Overall sector scenario, you can have a little view. This is just to generate a view. All right. And then you can do stock selection after from the sector, from the buy side, sell side, based on that. And then comes a screener. For screener, we use a website which is known as Charting. You guys are familiar with Charting website?
Yes.
No, charting never seen.
You have never seen Charting website. Okay. Charting website is nothing but it helps in developing screeners. For stock selection, we use it. Okay, so there are a couple of screeners which we have made on this website Charting, which I would be sharing with you guys, and I'll explain what conditions are mentioned in them, and simply you
But
can
Kabir, they are
also
not real time.
hello, you can take
They
real
are
time.
not real.
Yeah, there is a delay of like 1 or 2 minutes. You can take the paid subscription, then real time updates also you will get it. Okay, that you can do for taking the real time updates. They charge you 700 rupees per month, and then you can make the use of it. Okay, so I'll just show you those screeners. Is my screen visible? Yes, no?
No.
Right. Okay, so there are a couple of scalping screeners which I'll give you. You can make the use of it. First, I'll explain you the buy scalping screeners, and then the sell ones I'll explain you. So there are two scalping screeners which I'll do. These are used for stock selection. Okay. So the conditions which I have told you, explained you, moving average, RSI, 5 minutes candle are applied to this. So if you see the buy signal, there is a RSI and there is a SMA, simple moving average. Okay. If you see here, the simple condition, okay, based on the open and close is there. So block candle kind of a candlestick pattern should be there. Block, okay, symbol here is block candle condition. These two are block candle condition. Here SMA condition is there. Okay, the close of the candle should be above SMA. That thing should be there. RSI should be around 50. All right. Here the condition is around it should be greater than 50. Here the condition is like we have given two conditions. So here you'll get a stock which is near to RSI. RSI is near to 50. Okay. Right. And in this, we have also given a condition that the previous candle should be around SMA before getting an alert. So here you'll get near SMA stock. SMA is what? Simple moving average, right?
Yes.
Hello. So here near SMA stocks you will get it. Simply run, you will get it. Again, look, the condition should be fulfilled. These are just to help you up, okay? But don't go blindly on them, because see, we are giving a condition for block candle, but we are not giving a condition that if the slope should be down up, which you have to check up. Clear? That cannot be given to this, right? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, Kabir.
Yes, yes.
So just check up the slope. That slope condition should be fulfilled. That you should follow the trend. Trend, if you follow, you can get the good result. So if you will not follow, then it will not work. Okay. So you'll get a stock from here, then check up those slopes, and simply you can apply it. So here there is a near SMA stocks, you'll get it where block candle is formed and RSI is also near. Then you get it. Get us buy here. In this near SMA, we have not applied. There is again multiple benefits. What happens is many times stock may not be, it would be around EMA moving average, but in this previous candle conditions we have not mentioned here. So here you will get stocks which are certainly little far away from moving average, and so not in this one. Okay, so near little far could be there, so you can have a good amount of stocks. So both of them I'll give you. Okay, if any modification we keep on doing to this in the future also, we do little modification to that for finding out better stock. It will be shared with you guys in the same way. Okay. Similarly, there is a sell to screeners which you guys can use. Again, same. One will give you stocks which are near to SMA. Near to SMA stocks, moving average stocks. Other will give you, a different kind of a stock, which are not near to MA, or certainly it has almost come to near and it has again gone up. So those kind of stocks will get it here. This will just help you. Remember, follow the conditions. Don't go blind. Okay, and then you can use the screeners for stock selection purpose. Apart from this, for finding out trending stock, also I'll give you a couple of screeners. Trending stock in the sense which are probable, can give you good move. Okay, these two screeners are used for that. That also I'll do. LL means sell. Remember, this is not mentioned, or I will rename it and give you. So LL means generally sell, HH means buy. So this will give you trending stocks. Okay, so you can pick up a stock from here also, and then you can apply the conditions. Any doubt, anybody?
नहीं समझा सर.
Okay, screeners are given, screeners are used for stock selection. This is clear, right?
Yeah.
Right. So अगर आप जब मैं आपको इसका लिंक दूंगा ना चार्टिंग का, go and save it in your account, make a free account on this. Clear? And उसके बाद just you save this screener in your dashboard. Here dashboard would be there. वहाँ पे save करो and run it. You get stocks. Okay.
Okay.
And then from that stock you can pick up a stock, because the stocks which will come here will have block candles, moving average condition would be there, RSI condition would be there.
वो समझ में आ गया सर. वो लास्ट वाला आपको नहीं समझ में आया.
तो यहाँ पे I'll give you 6 screeners totally. ठीक है.
अच्छा, टोटल 6 देने वाले.
6 देने वाला हूँ. Remember this. In scalping वाले में it is clearly mentioned by SMA, RSI, near SMA. You will be able to understand. HHLL are nothing but this is sell screener, this is buy screener. Here conditions are very much different. You will not be able to understand, but these are used for finding out trending stock. Okay. If you want, I'll just show you this also. So there are multiple conditions based on 15 minutes candle, size of the candle, okay, and the previous closing RSI value. Based on that, we have coded the screener which can probably give you a good, probably good stock which can be trending. अगर आपको एक trending stock मिल जाता है, then you can pick up a swing in that. Yes.
सर लेकिन अभी जो आपने स्ट्रेटजी सीखा है
हम्म,
20 SMA का,
हम्म।
उसका स्टॉक सिलेक्शन नहीं है क्या अपने पास? स्कैनर जो स्टार्टिंग में
ये
दिखा है
है
वो
ना,
उसी का था मेरे ख्याल से।
ये बताया ना आपको, ये
हाँ,
वही है।
अच्छा,
ठीक है, इसमें क्या लिखा है? सेल SMA RSI, यही बताया ना आपको।
हाँ, नियर करेक्ट।
राइट, ये उसी का स्क्रीनर है, बट ये भी इज अ वेरी गुड स्क्रीनर विच यू वांट कैन यूज इट। ठीक है, इफ यू गाइस डोंट वांट टू यूज, डोंट यूज इट। दिस इज यूज्ड फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट ट्रेंडिंग स्टॉक। द वर्ड ट्रेंडिंग आई एम मेंशनिंग, ठीक है, जिसमें
अच्छा,
वॉलिटिलिटी होगी और जिसमें कुछ न्यूज हो या वॉल्यूम्स ज्यादा है, उससे वाला स्टॉक इसमें आता है। LL RSI below -1 ऐसे वाले। I'll rename it, I'll buy and sell screener would be the name. You can use it if you want. Okay,
चलिए।
Sure.
clear guys?
Yes, Kabir. Kabir, can we add a price filter in this? Like you said, above 250 is the good price so that we can trade.
Yes,
So can
yes.
we add a price
That
filter
you
in this?
cannot do it. What eventually you can do is do it when you are saving it in your account. Go to this, go on cash. Okay, here Nifty 50 you can pick up, Nifty 200 you can select. So you only get stocks from Nifty 100, Nifty 200. Okay,
Thank you. Thank you. So
simply if you
basically above 250 price so that we can trade, right?
yes, minimum
that-
250, because below that small price move will not be clear. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
So simply change it to 100 initially. You'll be able to find out stocks. Make it, change it. By default, it will sometimes show you futures or cash. Change it to 50, or you can make your own watch list also. Okay. In this you have a option of creating a watch list. You can add your good stocks like Reliance, Infosys, TCS, JSW Steel. These are stocks which always have some good amount of volatility, and it is simple to find moves in that. Okay. In
Thank you.
Reliance, if you just apply these screeners and see, in Reliance, multiple times you can get entries because Reliance is normally a volatile stock and the move is clear in that. So in Reliance, if you just backtest it, you'll get a good clear indications. Okay. One more thing, just for your practice, I'm telling you, simply I told you how you can apply the SMA, moving average, RSI, everything I have told you, time frame I have told you. You can, for practicing purpose, initially you can also do paper trading. You have an option in this. Okay, so here you can just go and do paper trading. Here is the option, connect. Whenever you get a signal, you can buy it from here. You have the stock selection with you. I'm giving you the screener. Conditions are with you, so you can paper trade here, develop some confidence, and then you can go for it. Okay, and all of you guys have this my Telegram ID, right, where we chat normally. So if you have any doubt, anything, take screenshot and send it to me there. Okay, initially everybody will have doubts, and that's normal. You may miss out on few things. So whenever you are doing paper trade or actual trade, take a screenshot from here, copy that, wherever you took trade, just highlight that part form by, line like this. You can highlight, or you can use this rectangle to highlight, take a screenshot then, and you can send it to me, and then we can have a discussion. Clear, everybody?
Yes, Kabir.
Right, so use these things and see, the strategy is very good, the risk reward is good, you are following the trend and you are doing scalping. So understand the strategy will work, develop confidence, have, experience on this, and you will be able to do it. All right,
थोड़ा बैक टेस्ट करेंगे
guys.
कबीर जी?
हेलो, हाँ बताइए सर.
मैं बोला कि थोड़ा बैक टेस्ट करेंगे क्या, थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड होने के लिए?
Right. See, if you want, I can take you back. We can do back testing also. We can do it in lines. Simply same conditions में. You can simply, you see here there is a block candle, kind of a good candle, right? Slope is clear. So you can do it. First of all, do it in 5 minutes. Okay. Use the screener and find a good volatility stock, and then look for conditions. Here we have already, I think we discussed this one, right? Yes. Right, you here also you can consider, because see, if you see the strong candle around RSI, moving average is pretty low, you can take the entry there also. Here also there is a block, right? Yes.
Yes, Kabir. Kabir, do we need to check on the higher time frame of the particular
No,
stock?
no, never do it. Okay. We are scalping.
Okay.
We have a direction with the help of SMA. Okay. So we
Thank you,
have
thank you.
already taken into consideration. If you go on 4 hours, the situation could be very much different. So you'll get confused. Okay.
Thank you, Kabir.
So no need of going on the higher time frame. So this is again a block candle. If you haven't, if you spot this, quickly take an entry, and then you can see it has gone down. You can easily get 1:1.5 risk reward. If you see the overall size of it, the size is what? How much is the size? The
4
candle size is
points.
of like 5-6 points. Okay, so minimum 9 points if you get, you can book your profit, or then you can trade it. Okay, and if you see, it has gone pretty low. It has gone like 15 points from there. Okay, similarly, if you see here also, not a perfect one, but still, if you see, I have told you lower shadow, if it is there very minute, it is fine, and there is no upper shadow. Okay, so here also, if you see, it is there. Here also around RSI, but this is not a desirable one. But because the slope is very much down, sometimes you can consider it. Okay, if you see here, there is a block. Yes, yes or no? Hello.
Yes, Kabir.
But don't take it here because the slope is not clear. Okay, this is the mistake which you guys can do it. If you see here and we go half screen, it is a upward signal. Don't take it, even though if you see here it has gone down, but these are risky entries. Our conditions are not getting fulfilled. You are trading against the trend. Clear? Clear, guys?
कबीर जी, ये अभी पूरा चार्ट बन चुका है, इसलिए अपने को दिख रहा है कि ट्रेंड ऊपर का नहीं है।
Yes.
लेकिन आप थोड़ा समझने की कोशिश कीजिए कि ये अगर जिस कैंडल पे हम लोग को ब्लॉक कैंडल मिल रहा है, उस कैंडल पे हमको ये नहीं पता लग रहा है कि ये ट्रेंड चेंज होने वाला है क्या नहीं।
That's
कि
what
अगर
now.
मान लो,
See, I got
हाँ,
your problem.
तो
See,
उसमें कैसे लगाइए?
that's why the moving average which we use is a slow moving average. We don't use a quick moving average. First of all, this moving average should give you a slope. Once that is there, simply find a good candle or block candle around moving average where RSI is falling from the top, and take it, because this moving average will not change quickly. This is having 20 candles average. समझ रहे हो आप? So this is not a fast moving average. I told you initially. अगर ये fast moving average होता, then fluctuation would have been there and you would have got confused. Because this is a slow moving average.
तो बेसिकली मूविंग एवरेज का ट्रेंड पहले पकड़ लेना चाहिए, उसके बाद ट्रेड करना चाहिए।
अगर if you just normally see here, अगर आप यहाँ पे देखो, the moving average is down. If here you take sell entries, आंख बंद करके भी sell entries लोगे, तो you will be 50-50 correct, right? Yes.
Yes.
50-50 will be correct.
Yes,
But
sir.
now we are
Yes, sir.
adding up RSI to it and price action based pattern. So we are taking it to higher accuracy of 75-80 also. All right. And the same conditions are there in the charting screen. The thing is that. And I have told you initially, if you feel like 15% doubtful of the trend, or this moving average is giving you slight straight or slight down, slight up, ignore it. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So this is the thing.
Kabir, I can see this strategy, almost goes till 30 minutes, before we come out of this trade.
Mhm.
So anything, which will help us come out, around 15 minutes or so by
See-
reducing time frame or any other strategy.
No,
you may
see,
wanna share.
we are right now discussing scalping strategy. Once you have taken a trade on 5 minutes, you go for it. If you use 30 minutes time frame or so, if I'm correct, you tell me, you are telling 30 minutes candle size, you will use time frame.
No. I'm saying even this 5 minutes candle, right?
Yeah.
So when you enter a position, I can see around 30 minutes it is taking for us to either hit a profit or a stop loss.
See, once you
So,
have entered, basically in next 15 minutes, majority mein you will get the target or the stop loss. Okay, 30 minutes is a rare scenario. If you think you are holding it for very long time, around cost or minute profit, may you close it. Don't hold it for very long. Okay,
Okay.
right? So do
But
we
try to wind it up in 15 minutes, even if it is a profit or loss. Just try to wind it up.
Right. So don't hold it for very long. We are doing scalping. So we don't, time is not with you. Understand this. In scalping, time is not your friend. So how much quickly you get targets or you close your position is better. Okay. So that you can follow. And again, if you are getting the targets, then it depends upon you how you, do risk management rules I have told you. Okay. And see, the screeners I have told you, they'll give you stocks. Okay. And I have given you all of different techniques also for stock selection. So you'll have sufficient number of stocks. Now it upon you if you take a bigger stop loss one or the sector wise if you are able to take it. Because see, from taking a strategy from 75% accuracy or 70% accuracy to 80, 85, 90 depends upon the experience. Okay, if you have the experience, then you'll be able to take up entries in sector which is bullish or bearish. Okay, right? Or you'll be able to take up entries where the slope is clear, or you'll be able to take entries where stop loss is small. This comes out of experience. Rest of the thing are same for everybody. Strategy is same, everything else is same. But few things will always come out of experience.
See, Kabir, here 10-15 candle is a perfect block, but as the past trend is bearish, though it looks, I cannot take the exactly
Yes,
here
see, if you get this
10-15
one,
candle.
you can.
Right, exactly.
Here we are, our moving average condition is not getting fulfilled. Rest all conditions are fulfilling. Okay, not a perfect one, right? So you can ignore it. Okay, if you see here, RSI is rising, moving average is downwards. So that's because past May there is a downtrend. You can
Correct,
ignore
correct,
it. Okay,
correct.
so take the best ones. All right. So whenever I'll tell you one more thing, whenever RSI crosses 50 with a strong buy or strong sell, that is also an indication that a probable move can happen. Many times, if you see here, the RSI is crossing 50 with a strong candle, right? If you just look here
Yes.
below, RSI was less. Next candle, when RSI
Yes.
crossed and a strong candle is there,
Breaking 50. Yeah.
right? So this is out of observation. I'm telling you, whenever that happens, a strong candle below 50, say upward 50 RSI came, strong candle came. This is an indication a probable strong move can happen. Okay, so this also you notice when such conditions are getting fulfilled. Many times what will happen, trend will be very much clear. Okay, price will go down with strong candle, RSI will come up. RSI will go down and strong candle mein RSI will come up. Trend is upward. Those are the situation where you can get good return. This also you absorb. All right, guys. Right. So I'll share all the PPTs with you, which we have discussed in a recording, which we have done. Plus, there is also one more webinar where we had talked about index mein, same strategy. Okay. But we have used a 3 minutes time frame in that. In index, we don't use 5 minutes, we use 3 minutes because of volatility. You guys, I will be sharing that with you. You guys can make the use of that as well. Okay. That is just because if you watch both the recordings, today's and that one, you have a better understanding and grasp of this strategy. Okay.
कबीर जी आपके हिसाब से कितना एक्यूरेसी लेवल आता है इंडेक्स
See, initially you start, you will be able to get 70-75% accuracy. And then I told you how much accurately you apply it, and then you can get it 80 also. Okay. Because we have a better risk reward. If you have 70-75 accuracy also, you will make money. Okay.
रिस्क रिवॉर्ड तो अपना अच्छा नहीं है
1:1.5 risk reward है ना.
1:1.5 तो बहुत कम हो गया ना कबीर जी.
See, scalping में that is a very good stop loss. If out of 4 trades में अगर आपको 2 में भी profit मिल रहा है, 50-50 में भी मिल रहा है, then also you will be in profit only. समझ रहे हैं आप?
Okay.
Right. So we have a better risk reward in this. Okay, accuracy I told you initially, if you apply, you may go wrong somewhere, but 75% you will get it because you are taking trade in the line of a trend, you are taking price action into consideration, RSI confirmation we are taking. If these three things eventually meets up, you will get a good accuracy. Okay, you will not get accuracy when you know the RSI is already above 50 for a very long time, or you take trades when moving average is very much far. There you will not get the accuracy, and that has to be corrected, and that will only come up if you keep on practicing.
Okay.
Okay,
तो इसका PPT है क्या अपने पास पूरा?
right. We have discussed on few PPTs right in the session. These all I'll share in the group where we all are. Okay.
Okay.
And after that, I've told you, you can always text me. Okay, we can have a discussion. If you have any doubt, if you are not getting clarity over something, you can always share the screenshot and we can have a discussion over it. Okay, so practice it. You will definitely be able to implement it, and it is a very easy strategy and a very good strategy. Okay, we have been using it for a very long time. You'll be able to easily, make the benefit out of it. But have confidence and practice. All right, guys.
कबीर जी एक बार लाइव ट्रेड करेंगे ना आपके साथ?
Yes, sure. See, you practice it for 2-3 days. You have a clarity. We'll discuss it. Okay, and if you are still not able to do it, we'll see what we can do. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right, guys. So on that note, if everybody is clear, and don't forget to share your email IDs. Few people are very much new here, so their email IDs I don't have. Like Sandeep, email IDs I don't have. Okay. So all of you guys, don't forget to share your email IDs with me. All right.
Sure.
All right,
Okay,
guys.
Kabir. Thank you.
Right.
कबीर जी, हेलो.
Hello, yeah, Sandeep.
कबीर जी ये मतलब कुछ मतलब ऐसा नया या कुछ वैल्यू एडिशन टाइप फीलिंग नहीं आ रहा है कबीर जी. आई एम सॉरी टू से दैट, क्योंकि 2-3 चीजें तो एक 3-4 इंडिकेटर्स में आ ही जाती है. एक सेकेंड ना कबीर जी, एक सेकेंड. हाँ कबीर जी.
Yeah, Sandeep. See, Sandeep, you have to have a confidence. That's I told you, right? See, if you keep on doing like this, right? See, every strategy works. You need to have a confidence and keep on building, experience on that. If you keep on looking for multiple things, it will not work. You remember this? I'm telling you out of
I was
experience.
expecting something. नहीं सर, देखो ये बात बिल्कुल सही है आपकी कि Thursday स्ट्रेटेजी पे काम नहीं होता है. 1 या 2 पे काम करो, अपना हाथ बिठाओ, उसके बाद काम चलता है.
Right,
मतलब
right.
जिस कोई भी स्ट्रेटेजी है, अगर आप उसको बैक टेस्ट नहीं करोगे, ज्यादा दिन तक यूज नहीं करोगे, तो आपको मजा नहीं आएगा.
Exactly my point.
लेकिन मैं जो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था आपकी स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेडिंग से, स्कैल्पिंग जो मैं समझा हुआ आज तक वो ये है कि एक मोमेंटम स्पेसिफिक ट्रेड करना. अब उसमें हम लोग पूरा दिन वेट नहीं करते, हम एक मोमेंटम पकड़ लेते हैं और एक कैंडल 2 कैंडल बस बात है और खत्म.
So that's what in this we are using a lower time frame. You are on here also catching the move only. Similar thing we are doing here. We are taking up the trend from moving average. Based on price action candle, we are taking an entry. So there is a logical entry out there. And then we are taking the trade. And we are using a very low time frame in this. Okay, so here also you don't have to wait for very much long time. Immediately in next or 1 or 2 candles, you'll be able to take the profits, or if you get a stop loss, you can exit there. Here also you're not holding on for very long time. Scalping is just that. All right.
Okay.
See, Sandeep, you understand this point. In stock market, everything looks similar. Nobody can tell you a strategy which is out of price action, out of indicator. These things has to be there. Okay, when you tell you are catching up the swing, how you can catch a swing? You can only do it once you have the idea of the trend, right? Without knowing the trend, how you'll be able to catch a swing? For that purpose, you'll have to use a moving average, or indicator which gives you that indication. Apart from that, it is not possible only. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So you have to have an understanding and you make yourself, satisfied in this manner. Otherwise, what will happen? I'm telling you, I have met a lot of people like this who, would not be, satisfied in, learning something which are similar. But let me tell you, these things only work. If you look for, something, somebody will teach you a rocket science out here, that will not happen. Because price action is similar, indicators are similar. There is nothing, out of this which you will find it here. But you have to have an experience on it, develop one strategy and small modification out of it. You will be able to catch up. Like I told you, the RSI one. I told you, right? When RSI goes from below 50 to above 50 with a strong candle, that is not based on this strategy. That is out of experience. I'm telling you. You get this point? So you need to have an, you have to stick to one thing, and that will give you perfection and whatever thing you are looking for. So multiple things will not work. Clear, Sandeep?
ठीक है sir.
So that's what I told you. Have confidence, watch the recordings, presentation, and you'll be able to do it. Okay? Right, that will do. So if you guys are clear, I want this basic to advanced force people to stay back and rest guys can leave. Okay? Ashish, I think is not from that batch. Raja, Nivas, Shiva, you guys can stay back.
Sure, Kabir.
बेसिक टू एडवांस स्टार्ट करने वाले क्या सर?
नहीं, I'm just telling you the next class course timings. Okay?
अच्छा.
That is the thing.
तो इसका रिकॉर्डिंग और बाकी सब मिल जाएगा ना?
I'll give it in your group, okay? Or you can mail
अच्छा.
send me mail IDs also.
और सर एक रिक्वेस्ट था कि ग्रुप को थोड़े दिन के लिए इंटरैक्टिव रखिए ना प्लीज, क्योंकि ये इनिशियल डेज में ना थोड़ा हेल्प लगेगा आपका.
That group would be there. I would be sharing all the recordings and PPTs and everything there only. All right?
Okay.
That group would be there. That is for this purpose only. Okay?
ठीक है सर, ठीक है.
Right.
चलो सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Right. All right, guys. So today's session we are done, right? You guys have any doubt you can ask? If you guys have, Nivas, Shiva, and everybody.
Yes.
Right. So if you guys have no doubt, or if you have doubt also, recollect it, practice it, and we can discuss in the next session. And next session, next week, which will have it. Mostly, actually, I would be traveling in the next weekend. So there could be certain change in the timing. Or, if there is no change, I'll inform. But I'm telling you in advance. So I'll inform you guys, maybe we'll not have it at 3 p.m. on the next weekend. Okay?
Okay, Kabir.
Okay,
Alright,
Kabir.
So that will do. And there could be a scenario that I would not be able to take the class also. So we'll continue it in the next weekend or so. Okay. If possible on Saturday and Sunday, one of the days, definitely I'll take it. But if it is not possible, then we'll continue. All right.
Sure, Kabir.
Sure.
Thank you.
Sure.
All right, guys. Take care and have a nice
Thank you.
Thank you so much.